Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, the channel where I explore helpful technology that makes everyday life easier. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 13 best smart tablet for seniors that offer simple navigation, bright displays, and reliable performance. These tablets are designed to make video calls, browsing, reading, and entertainment comfortable and enjoyable. Whether it's for staying connected with family or enjoying online content, these options are worth checking out. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Android 16 Power HD Tablet. The Android 16 Power HD tablet is a great choice for seniors who want a simple and smooth tablet experience. It features a bright HD touchscreen that makes reading text, watching videos, and browsing the internet comfortable. I like how the updated Android 16 system keeps the interface easy to navigate while also providing modern features. The processor handles everyday tasks smoothly, including video calls, social apps, and streaming content. Battery life is dependable and designed to last through long browsing sessions. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to hold for extended use. Overall, this smart tablet offers a great balance of simplicity, performance, and convenience for everyday digital activities. Android 15 HD Wi-Fi Tablet. The Android 15 HD Wi-Fi tablet is built for users who want a reliable device that focuses on simplicity and comfort. Its HD touchscreen display offers clear visuals, making it easier to read text, view photos, and watch videos. I appreciate the clean Android interface because it keeps navigation straightforward and beginner-friendly. The Wi-Fi connection works smoothly for browsing the web, video chatting, or checking emails. Performance is solid for everyday activities thanks to its capable processor and optimized system. Battery life supports hours of usage without frequent charging. With its lightweight build and responsive touchscreen, this tablet provides a practical and comfortable smart tablet experience for seniors and casual users. Android 16 Smart AI Tablet. The Android 16 Smart AI tablet brings modern features with a focus on convenience and ease of use. Its large touchscreen display provides bright visuals that make reading messages, watching videos, and browsing online content enjoyable. What I really like is the AI-assisted features that help simplify everyday tasks and improve system performance. The Android 16 interface feels smooth and responsive while keeping menus easy to understand. Video calls, social media apps, and streaming services run comfortably thanks to the capable processor. Battery life also holds up well during long viewing sessions. Overall, this smart tablet combines helpful technology with user-friendly design, making it a great option for seniors. OctaCore Smart 10.1 Tablet. The OctaCore Smart 10.1 tablet focuses on delivering smooth performance with a large and comfortable display. Its 10.1-inch touchscreen makes reading, browsing, and video chatting much easier thanks to the spacious screen size. I noticed that the OctaCore processor keeps the system responsive when switching between apps or watching online content. The interface is simple and easy to understand, which helps new users feel comfortable navigating the device. Battery life is dependable and supports hours of use without interruptions. The tablet also feels lightweight enough for daily handling. Overall, this smart tablet provides reliable performance and a user-friendly experience that works very well for seniors. TECLAST T65 Pro Tablet. The TECLAST T65 Pro Tablet stands out with its modern design and strong performance for everyday tablet tasks. Its bright touchscreen display offers excellent clarity, making it comfortable for reading news, watching videos, or browsing photos. I really enjoy how smoothly the interface responds thanks to the powerful processor. Apps open quickly, and switching between them feels effortless. The tablet also provides reliable connectivity for video calls and online entertainment. Battery life performs well, allowing long sessions of browsing and streaming without interruptions. With its balanced performance and simple navigation, this smart tablet is a dependable option for seniors who want both speed and ease of use. GrandPad Senior Smart Tablet. The GrandPad Senior Smart Tablet is specifically designed for seniors who want a very simple and secure tablet experience. Everything about the interface focuses on ease of use, from large icons to clear menus that make navigation comfortable. I really like how the tablet simplifies video calls, messaging, and photo sharing with family members. It also includes built-in security features that help protect users from scams and unwanted content. The touchscreen display is bright and easy to read, even for long viewing sessions. Battery life is dependable for daily use. Overall, this smart tablet provides one of the most senior-friendly designs available for staying connected. DigiLand HD Smart Tablet. The DigiLand HD Smart Tablet offers a budget-friendly option while still providing useful features for everyday use. Its HD touchscreen display provides clear visuals that make browsing, reading, and watching videos enjoyable. I appreciate the straightforward interface because it keeps navigation simple for users who may be new to tablets. The device runs smoothly during common tasks, such as checking emails, making video calls, or browsing websites. Battery life holds up well for casual daily use without constant charging. The lightweight design also makes it easy to carry around the house. Overall, this smart tablet is a practical and affordable option for seniors exploring digital devices. Samsung S10 Plus AI Tablet. The Samsung S10 Plus AI tablet delivers a premium experience with powerful performance and advanced smart features. Its large touchscreen display produces bright colors and sharp visuals that make videos and photos look fantastic. I really enjoy how smooth the system feels when navigating apps or multitasking. The built-in AI features help optimize performance and simplify certain tasks, making the tablet easier to use. Video calls, streaming, and browsing run effortlessly thanks to the strong processor. Battery life is excellent and supports long hours of entertainment. With its sleek design and reliable performance, this smart tablet offers a high-quality experience for users who want premium technology. Lenovo IDEA Smart Tablet. The Lenovo IDEA Smart Tablet focuses on delivering a comfortable and reliable experience for everyday tablet use. Its bright touchscreen display makes reading, browsing, and watching videos easy on the eyes. I like how simple the interface feels, allowing users to navigate menus and apps without confusion. Performance is smooth for common activities, such as video calls, streaming content, and browsing social media. The tablet also offers dependable battery life for long usage sessions. Its slim and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Overall, this smart tablet provides a balanced mix of simplicity, performance, and convenience for seniors. Android 15 LTE Smart Tablet. The Android 15 LTE Smart Tablet offers the flexibility of both Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity, which makes it convenient for staying connected anywhere. Its touchscreen display provides clear visuals that are great for video calls, reading news, or browsing the web. I like how the Android 15 system keeps everything smooth and easy to navigate. The processor handles everyday tasks comfortably, including streaming and messaging apps. LTE connectivity allows users to access the internet even without nearby Wi-Fi networks. Battery life is dependable and supports long browsing sessions. Overall, this smart tablet offers great connectivity and simple usability, making it a practical device for seniors. The PixStar Senior Touch Tablet. The PixStar Senior Touch Tablet is designed with simplicity in mind, focusing mainly on photo sharing and communication. Its touchscreen interface is extremely easy to understand, which makes it perfect for users who prefer straightforward technology. I really like how family members can send photos directly to the tablet, creating a digital photo display experience. The large screen makes images and messages easy to see. Navigation is simple with minimal menus and large icons. Battery performance is reliable for everyday viewing. Overall, this smart tablet works wonderfully as a communication and photo-sharing device that helps seniors stay connected with family. Lenovo M10 Plus Tablet. The Lenovo M10 Plus tablet delivers a well-balanced tablet experience with a sharp display and smooth performance. Its bright touchscreen makes reading articles, browsing the internet, and watching videos enjoyable. I like how responsive the system feels during everyday tasks thanks to its capable processor. The interface is simple enough for new users while still offering modern features. Battery life supports extended viewing sessions without interruptions. The tablet also has a sleek and lightweight design that makes it comfortable to hold for long periods. Overall, this smart tablet provides a reliable and easy-to-use experience that works very well for seniors. Samsung A11 Plus Tablet. The Samsung A11 Plus tablet offers a dependable tablet experience with a focus on comfort and performance. Its large touchscreen display delivers bright and clear visuals, making reading and watching videos more enjoyable. I appreciate how smooth the interface feels while switching between apps or browsing online content. The processor handles everyday tasks easily, including video calls, streaming, and social media browsing. Battery life is strong enough to support long sessions of entertainment. The design is slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold. Overall, this smart tablet provides a great combination of performance, display quality, and user-friendly features for seniors. And that wraps up our list of the top 13 best smart tablet for seniors available today. Each of these tablets focuses on simple navigation, clear displays, and reliable performance to make everyday digital activities easier. Whether it's staying connected with family, watching videos, or browsing the internet, there's a great option here for everyone. If you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more details about these tablets, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Smart Gadget Reviews, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more helpful gadget reviews.